Hello, I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for stopping by to my Facebook channel or my YouTube channel to share a few moments with me. The month of November has officially started. Today is November 3rd or November 4th, respectively, on YouTube. And we have a new promotion at Stampin Up, and that is for the Snowflake Showcase. And to make sure I got the name right, there's two stamp sets. They're called Snow is Glistening and Happiness Surrounds, and a beautiful set of dies. So I want to share some projects that are created from those particular products, and that way I can give you some wonderful ideas. Among all of the new goodness is some velvet paper, and the velvet paper is just absolutely gorgeous. So this is the project that I last created, and there is a video on my YouTube channel with this gorgeous velvet paper. I think you can probably hear it. It has flocking. This is regular cardstock, and you can see the difference with the flocked cardstock. This one has been already treated, and it was a special technique that is on my YouTube channel for adding color to the white velvet paper. So here's a close-up of this card. It also contains the snowflake trinkets, which are also one of the new items that are in the promotion right now. And we even have a fun snowflake on the inside of the card. I absolutely love these products. They're just fantastic. Hello, hi everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Here's another card, and this is an Easel card, and I've integrated the snowflake, the large snowflake die that is from the Snowfall Thinlits, and this is an Easel card. It has also elements of Santa's Workshop Designer Series paper. Now this paper here on all of the white area is flocked just like the white velvet paper sheets. And so you can use this in conjunction with the flocked paper to make special snowflakes. It's really, there's so much that can be done with them. But pairing it up with a product that we have in the holiday catalog it just makes perfect sense. So here's a close look at this easel card. There we go. And this part comes up. And I've used the coordinating stamps and some more of the Designer Series paper and just did a little fussy cutting here. And this is also a strip of the paper as well. And I just absolutely love it. But look how that giant snowflake just really stands out. And I think it's a perfect backdrop for a snowman. So there's just so much to do, so much wonderful stuff to do with this new bundle of products. So with the snowflake kind of theme, there's also one of the stamp sets called Happiness Surrounds. And Happiness Surrounds isn't based on just snowflakes. They are snowflakes that are created to look a little bit more like florals. So here's a card project that has a little bit of actual floral look to it, and yet these are dies that are from Snowfall Thinlits dies. So what I did on this card, and I have this project is on my blog, is I have given it some yummy summery colors and given a nice fragile look to these little thinlits, and it gives a totally different look. Hi Nate, you want to say hi to friends?
Hi friends.
This is my youngest son Nate, and he lost another tooth. Can you show us the tooth? Up here at the top. It came out sometime last night. We're not sure where the tooth went. It disappeared. And we don't have any but one of Nate's teeth that he's lost. I'm going to show some more cards. You want to help me?
Yes.
Okay. So here's another card with
no cards.
here's another card, and this one I believe you may have seen on a video that I created. And this one has the large die.
That's a large die.
You're a good helper, Nate. And this one has some shimmer paint that
is shimmer paint.
Yeah, that has been sponged on.
And it's sponged on.
Yeah. Thank you for helping me. You're such a great helper. And if you look closely underneath that die, you can see the, there we go. Now you can see the shimmer that it puts off. Yeah, there's some shimmer on it. Can you see the shiny part right here? See it, look, it's shiny.
I have to place it.
Yep, go play with your playset then. Can you say bye to friends?
Bye, friends.
Okay, thanks for helping. And here is one more with the really large snowflake. And this one is made, and I'll see if I can catch the light on it. This snowflake is made from glossy white paper. And you can see that little shininess as I tilt it towards the light. So this is ink blending onto some glossy white paper. And it's a lot of fun to do ink blending, but it's more fun for me to be able to have success with what I'm going to try to share with you all crafters. So having this on glossy white paper is a great way to get a very nice blended look. And this particular card has some beautiful berry colors. And I created this from the Snow is Glistening stamp set. And this, of course, is another one of those snowfall thinlits dies. And the last card that I want to share today is one that I recently shared. And this technique has also been featured in a video. And the video is used for making ink smooshing technique, but it is ink refills, shimmer paint, and some craft white ink. Hi Sandra, hi Jess, hi Rosalie. Thanks everybody. You just missed Nate. Nate was in here helping me show cards. So if you guys want to see Nate, then you'll have to go back and watch the replay. And I've got some little strips of the glimmer paper, or I think we're calling it sparkle paper now. Teeny, teeny, tiny strips, just enough to catch some of the light there. So this is the large die here that is from the Snowflake, or no, Snowfall Thinlits dies. And this is one of the medium snowflakes that I've kind of just trimmed the extra off. So if you look closely at this card, there is some shimmer that's on the panel, and this is it's shimmer paint, and it's what was from the ink smooshing, and it kind of looks like snow is blowing in this direction. So this white area is actually like white pigment. It's white craft ink, and it was a lot of fun to create. So if you're interested in this particular the technique, then just search it on my YouTube channel and you'll be able to see one that I created, and it has the fall look. We did some fall colors with that. You want to come back in? Nate is back. You want to come back in and say hi?
Hi.
Come on. Say hi to friends.
Hi, friends.
Okay, you want to show your tooth one more time? Where you lost your tooth last night?
Yes.
So now he has one on the top and one on the bottom missing. So he is having a hard time eating from the very front. We're trying to help him out with learning how to eat from the side. But that's all I have to share today. I wanted to thank you all for spending a few minutes with me, and to be sure to check out the Snowflake Showcase. You can get to those products by shopping in my online store, and you can go to jennyhalldesign.com, click the big Shop Now button, and that'll take you directly to my online store. And once I see that you've made the purchase for one of these products that has from the Snowflake Showcase, then I will send you over the special tutorial that corresponds with whichever product that you bought. If you get the Snow is Glistening stamp set, then I'll send you the Snow is Glistening tutorial big tutorial pack. And if you get happiness surrounds, then I'll be happy to send you the happiness surrounds. In addition to the 12-pack tutorial that I feature every month just as a thank you gift. And you'll get rewards points as well. So this month has got a lot of stuff going on. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Any demonstrators that are going to be traveling to Orlando, Florida, I will see you there. Please be sure to look me up and say hi and get a big hug. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.